How to install the standby batteries? What you should do: prepare the batteries in advance. Double a battery. It required 10 batteries to insert in the battery box. First, take out the battery box. Secondly, use a drill to remove 2 fixing screws. Thirdly, open the battery box. Before you insert in batteries, please recognize the batteries' positive and negative poles, and insert batteries properly. Each side inserts in 5 batteries, then close the battery box. Screwing the fixing screws. Find out this electric line. Insert together. At last, put them behind the toilet.